For breaking news, go to iDiskiTimes.co.za. iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting at iDiskiTimes.co.za. Andorra 1, Bafana Bafana 1 in an international friendly game. Yeah, so Andorra play for the first time outside their home. One of the worst football teams or countries on planet Earth with only 80,000 people. And this is a historic result for them, playing outside their country for the first time or outside the continent of Europe for the first time. This will be a very big deal for them to be able to get a draw against a former African champion. Bafana Bafana playing as consistent as they were at the African Cup of Nations, playing anti-football, a negative pattern of football, and I'm sure you guys are celebrating. If you are celebrating them at the African Cup of Nations, you will continue with the maturity of celebrating anti-football. You should celebrate them tonight, and any other time that this anti-football doesn't work, you will celebrate it the same way that you were celebrating it when it was draws at the African Cup of Nations. If you play decent football, dominating your opponent, most of the time you'll win matches. If you play anti-football, most of the time it will show you out. Junior Khanye, analyst, what do you make of the game, sir?
Kuleko maprara kunjani fit ngibulise yeah no spawn fit ngibulise ujustice ngibulise uyelo bond Benedict Sofila guys ever fit kunjani keep on supporting iDiskiTV fighting one try to fix South African football. Yeah, no Nkuleko mfethu. Yeah, no man Nkuleko ebafethu no catch me on Radio Metro today on the Friday myself Junior Khanye ngizophethu andile lapha.
Ayikho Dr. ku Radio Metro.
Okay, Metro FM. Ngibeka indirect. Yeah, on Metro FM. Yeah, Nkuleko mfethu truly speaking. I'm very disappointed yabona but icala nange selection Nkuleko yabona. I mean the team at Double Apples, Double Adams. This is a game whereby it's supposed to continue with those players. I'm sure I'm being able to I mean the team, I'm going to appeal. I mean the team, ekumele ngabe ubuild ngaqhubeka ngayo. Lama player lawo ngikhuluma ngawo yokumele ngabe ayiqala iqede. But I'm surprised when you faces kunama player njengalo mfana lobuya kumaZulu, it's a questionable. Mbanjwa I saw him once, twice. I've never seen what is he capable of, and then I see him he's been called. Anyway, national team indaba problem enkulu. Kuleko, I mean we are playing against a team that is only concerned about defending.
Yeah.
I mean this team is just compact in terms of defending. They can't even combine 2-3 passes. Ishape yabo mabamaka. If ususipola mhlambi South Africa. I mean, in today's game, South Africa didn't build up. They went back to Yugo's identity. Too many crosses, too many long balls. And that's why this game we had to throw. I mean, the game it was very easy. If we had so many Sundowns players again, I'm sure we should have scored about 6-7 goals. Because there was a combination. Begzobane build up and the combination created a chance. I want to be honest, everybody was playing for himself, especially my player Bobby Zile. Mai was playing for himself, Mokwana playing for himself as well. Yeah, I can say that thing Musele is too many big passes in this game. They can't even combine him and Mnare. Mnare, boy Chubens in the one. They play, they collect the ball, they turn back, they play back like ball we are called. So how do you expect to see create a chance for this team? So it was very difficult with the game. I couldn't see good South Africa's strengths are in with two individual like in Chobangisho. I mean the team le ngulo akusi team bekumele ngabe isogolise ngalondlela abakwazi combine. They can't pass like we pass or sing each other just by combine baphume. I mean, it's a shame. So we bugela nje le game. I think it is everyone 1-1. Yeah, because we didn't even create so many chances. Besidlala ngama crosses. Specifically, ule coach mina ngiyazi ngayibona mayifika la. Too many long ball, too many crosses. Yonke ibhola lethu they must go sideways. They must cross it. We can't go direct. We couldn't azang one in the pockets wonder because we didn't have two midfielders that abakwazi able ukubona le pace. So it was difficult kule and yeah no play. I mean le lokish mfethu besidlala nezo lamndeni phela
besidlala kwamasho ndoda
Yeah, no, he's what I'm doing. I mean, these people you're saying they are 80 on their account, about 89 probably. So yeah, I mean, serious. If I
Striker sabo sibonile sina 41 ne grey hair umadala.
You said when you Google it, when you research, this team just last one on the 2022. Yeah, serious. It was Nkulego. Actually, it's not a joke, my brother. I mean, the game that you saw today, it's a shame. I mean, for South Africa, I understand these players that they're given chance, but they play like in Funukuba and never. A coach, I think, instructed them. When you select players, I think Kuba need a chance to Funukuba assessor. I don't think you need to instruct them the way I'm instructing a Konwit. I want you guys to play long ball and make sure you put the ball sideways. Without the box, nobody put the ball on the box. And the team, I think they said thank you because they were compact. Defense and midfield, they were very near to each other. So, Begunzim with the score. Agasat, okay, let's build up with Basondele and then try and surprise him. In the Lama pockets, so behind them, Lagulama. Unfortunately, it was, it deserved it. I think 1-1 it's a fair result because not much in terms of as long as he dominated the game. We're doing something way too predictable, going sideways.
Magaman Mokwana, Reyners Mayo, Maswangani. Any impressions of those new players, new faces?
Yeah, Maswangai, I think he played with two midfielders that they can't complement him, but even himself, in Kalange NH, he's supposed to open up for Ebola. He's supposed to make a space, Ngama come to make a space for himself. Buzz, I mean, make a noise by, I mean, he came make Melangabele, Ushine Mfana, and I didn't see him. Magaman, second half, lento lebe yenza umnare, he did the same naye umsele. He passed sideways. And this boy was Mangimbugela before Minazwagu Super Sport. He was one of the best talent in I think he had the idea of playing this game. But it depends on the philosophy coach. I think Iyabalimaza la Bafana Wuti. When you receive the ball, just play behind the defense without even looking. Yeah, I think in Namsha Magangena when's this thing nice sideways backwards. He was losing the ball unnecessary. So I'm not impressed even Ngai Magangena. Ukuthi Umkwana, yes, I think today, yes, because they scored ngabe kanje kanjalo. He has tried ngimbonile ukuthi uzamile, but ngifuna ukumbona more man. Kunala ngifuna ukuthi decision making yakhe, nginenkinga ne decision making yakhe. Yes, he's got speed ngimbonile, decision making. Yeah, today, yes, really playing so angisho ukuthi he was one of the best, but ngizomsingela out kulama player wabalayo because of his score. Yeah, ngizosho ngithi he deserve another opportunity. Yeah.
Okay, there you go. That's Bafana Bafana. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, ngo-1 ke insimbi yokuqala ekuseni. Yadlala Bafana Bafana. Uba ufuna ubuya lo muntu ngamanye amaxesha ufuna kumbukelise iteam engafuna ukudlala ibhola. Ngo-12 ebusuku. If you want to torture someone and kill them, you must force them to watch a team that refuses to play football. And make them watch at 12 midnight, which was the same thing that we were subjected to during the African Cup of Nations. But again, ngabantu be results. Bafile ke betting namhlanje. Ababecinga Bafana zawina because that's an easy one. It's like udlala team ku ABC Musepe League. Nikumvundlo fileyo. Bafile ke betting. Le community abantu abakuthiwa ziPanthers. Bafile ke because South Africa besuppose ayibetter that team ayike. Yohlulwa fonde niyasindwa ngumthwalo olula ucup ngabo ke yabo neziphumo zokungafuna ukudlala ibhola mina ndiyiqhwabela izandla ke sayisoloko ndiyiqhwabela izandla futhi qho abantu abangafuna ukudlala ibhola xa beluzayo ndiyavuya ngaphakathi wonke umuntu angafuna ukudlala ibhola i-anti football noba yenziwa nguGavin Hunt noba yenziwa ngubani i-anti football eleke beluza makwenzeke leyo nto leyo asifuni abantwana bethu bafumana i-bad example ye-football uHugo Bros eleke luza i-anti football mayityiwe until abantu babeka ibhola pha phansi bayidlale bazi express creatively. iDiskiTV, iDiskiTimes, also sporting. Thank you for watching us.